Albers was a interesting venture because the 200 Park, the building, originally had this beautiful piece of artwork there, 55 feet long, 30 feet high, and it was right at the gateway to Grand Central.
Gotcha.
And over the course of the history of the building was built in '68, and over the course of the history, that piece of artwork got dismantled and thrown out and stuff, and there was architectural renovation that happened there. It was called the Gold Slope. So what we did is we went back in there and we restored the original Albers piece in its original location and created this triple height volume space for it to sit in, and put it back in. And then we worked in concert with the Albers Foundation, and both Raul and I played a big part in kind of bringing that back together and putting that in there. So it was super exciting just to see it. They had a big opening ceremony for it. It was really exciting.
It was truly a pleasure speaking with Michael from MdeAS Architects. Thanks for watching AL13 Showcase, featuring architects in your city doing their best work to make your city a better livable place. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like, tell us what you liked about it in the comments, and for more weekly content, make sure to hit subscribe.